Hello everyone and welcome back to Silly Weekends. Before we move on to this video's reaction, I just wanted to wish everyone a happy holiday. Merry Christmas everybody. I hope you all get a chance to spend time with all of your loved ones and enjoy really good food and just get to spend some real quality time with your friends and family and even yourself. As always, I just want to thank everybody for your patience and for your continuous support. I'll see you all soon since I'm going to try my best to get back on track with all of these late reaction videos that are all backed up in my list. I know it's a little bit hard for me to update everyone on what's going on with me, so I would say just following me on Twitter and on my Patreon. I know I give little updates here and there, especially on my Twitter. So yes, let's get back into this reaction video. Again, happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Hello everyone and welcome back to Silly Weekends. I'm Kat and today I'm actually gonna be doing a catch-up session with the Mugen Train Arc episodes. Yeah, I've been lagging on it just cause I've gotten a bit busy with just life. So I don't know for this episode if I'm gonna be doing 5 and 6 or 5, 6, and 7. We'll just see how it plays out. I am looking a little bit tired right now.
No, you ain't!
I don't feel tired. I feel like I've gotten a good amount of sleep because since the holidays, you tend to visit family more often, and during those visits, I have made some bad decisions with choosing to drink a little bit more of that liquid courage than I should have, and yeah.
I mean, that really got out of hand fast.
You jumped up a notch.
Yeah, I stabbed a man in the heart.
So I took a few days to just recover from that, and but now I'm feeling 100%, and I got reminded that I can't hold it down anymore like how I used to, so it's okay. It's okay. I'm supposed to be making better life decisions anyway. So yeah. Anyways, aside from that personal update, yes, we are going to be moving into Mugen Train Arc episode 5 today. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna be comboing this episode with 6 and 7 or 7 as a separate thing, but we'll see. I'll be watching everything in one sitting. So yes, that emotional part, that emotional ending, it might hit me more. We'll see, I don't know. Episode 4 left off at the point where Inosuke wakes up and then he jumps through the ceiling of the train and he's about to do some shit. So the way that episode ended, it just made it so hyped. I'm so excited. Yeah, let's begin. So Mugen Train Arc episode 5. Ooh! Okay, let's do this. Okay. Nice. I mean, I know it's not the end, but still, can totally see why he ordered me to kill you, the boy with the earrings. Woo! Ah, hot tea. Let's go. Ooh, no, come on. Nope, he's not alone though. He's not alone. Oh, I'm so excited. I even mentioned in the previous episode how I'm super excited to see like their compilation. Seeing one by one, Nezuko, Inosuke, Zenitsu, Rengoku just like in action. Yes! Coming through! Inosuke coming through! Ah! So excited. Okay, even though it's late right now, like, oh man, just getting back to this, my energy is coming back. Like, no kidding, it's late. What time is it? Where I'm at right now, it's 3 a.m. The life decisions that I do, it's very questionable. Oh, sorry. It seems to be lagging. I'm hoping that it doesn't lag too much. Ooh. Oh. Feel like that part was extended. Oh man, I cannot. I keep picking up my tea and putting it down. I can't. Oh, this music too. Ah! So I was right on the money. That means I was a total stud as a leader. Beast breathing, fifth fang, crazy cutting. Oh my gosh! Goosies! Goosies! Oh man, and the music! The music is fucking hype! Ah. Oh man! Oh, I don't think I'm gonna have a moment where I can drink my tea. No, I don't think so. It's okay, it's okay. Just put my hand over it. Oh. 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 No good. This is never going to end. I'm still laughing over that line. Demon Slayers scurrying around inside me. Nezuko! Yes! Yes! Ah. Oh, and it's Natsu. Oh my gosh. Ah, yes. Even if it's a little bit extended, oh, it's awesome. Yes! Yes! Thunder breathing, first form, thunderclap and flash! Yes! I'll protect you. Ah! Oh. Oh my god. These two are so cute. Is Netsu awake now? Or Rengoku? Rengoku's turn. Ah! Ah! To think of all this happened while I was dozing. How could this be? I'm ashamed as a Hashira. Oh, don't be! Don't be! You're still awesome! Oh! No! I was pretty thorough with my slashing attacks on my way here. This train has 8 cars. I'll protect the 5 in the rear. Oh, wow, okay. That's cool that they're showing the breakdown. Ah, okay. Yeah, this bit is actually really cool to add. I don't think they showed this in the movie. That it was Rengoku that told Tanjiro about the head, or reminded him about the head. Nice. But wow, okay, so Rengoku is in charge of 5. That's majority of the cards. Makes sense. Makes sense. Of course, he's a Shira. I found it already. The head. The sun got swept away because the wind's so strong. Come on. That's cool. See? This just shows like how great of a team everybody is together. I think this music score too right now that's playing, it's new. I have to protect everyone. Aww. Come on. Come on. Fishy, very fishy. Especially around her. Oh! 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 Nice, 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 nice. I don't know if it's just me being so hyped about this part or if it's the little extended scenes, but I'm almost feeling like yeah, like I don't know if I'm just feeling a little bit more anxiety right now versus when I saw the movie. Like I said, it could just be because I'm so hyped about these last few episodes. Yep, synchronize their moves. Oh yeah, that's right. It starts going crazy with Enmu starts going crazy with his dream powers. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Thank goodness for Inosuke. He's so funny. Yeah, Inosuke's mask has really like come in handy in this part. Oh. Woo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! This is so hype! Oh, I swear, I think I could watch this over and over and like I would feel the same type of excitement. There's no way. How could you watch this and not get oh man? Like how can you not get energized? Ah! 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 Konosuke! Fourth Fang. Slice and dice. Oh my god! Please protect me. Oh. Hino Kamikagura. Ah! Clear blue sky. Ah! Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, it ends here. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, that was awesome. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm debating whether I should skip this and just go straight to the episode. Fuck. We're approaching the emotional part. Well, I have several tissues, so. Whoa, what's this part? This is current? What? What the fuck? I'll protect you. What the? Oh. It looked like a butt. Alright, so we're moving forward to episode 6. I would be like Inosuke. I'd be like, forget about him! We have more important things to do. Okay. Oh man, I don't mind recapping on this part. I do not mind seeing this again. Oh man, and this music. Yeah, honestly, starting Monday, I think I'm gonna be on loop with the soundtrack of this just to keep me motivated while doing work. Clear blue sky. My gosh. I mean, honestly speaking, I think Demon Slayer, like, the soundtrack of it, even just the music, like the instrumental scores, there hasn't been one that I haven't been a fan of. I'm wondering like how they're gonna milk the fight between Akaza and Rengoku. Like, I'm excited, but I'm scared. My heart is scared. God damn, the Goosies. I've now watched that move 3 times and I'm just, I'm feeling the tingles up my shoulder like all 3 times. Protect the passenger. I can't die. Cool, huh? Is your belly okay? Never felt better. I didn't even catch a cold. I'll be able to move now. Forget about him! It's okay, that bastard dies. Yeah, I mean, admittedly, I would relate a little bit more with Inosuke. Oh. Tanjiro is so commendable. I'll go for you then, because I'm the boss. After I rescue you, I'm going to pluck out all the guys. I wonder if it's gonna reveal here how Akaza came. One of my commenters, he kind of brought up the question like, did Akaza just come out of nowhere? Was he in the train this whole time as well? Or was he watching? Couldn't devour a single human. Still I struggled. Oh, Rengoku. It's because he's awesome. It's because they're all awesome. She's a demon. What's that about? Yep, it was all of them. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm excited to meet all of these upper demons, or these upper moons. There's a blood vessel. Concentrate harder. Oh my gosh, I'm already getting teary-eyed. That boom, it almost sounded like he landed. I wonder from where. Upper 3. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, that scared me. Sure can regenerate fast. Will I load weak heals too? Oh. No. Oh, that's so cute. Don't insult him. Destructive death, compass needle. I'll kill you. Oh, here we go, here we go. Good. That's good to know. Yeah, so him talking about how, like, he's met many Hashiras, he hasn't met a flame one. It makes me wonder how many Hashiras Akaza actually have defeated or killed. It also makes me wonder how old is Akaza. Like, how long has he been in Upper Moon? Superb reaction speed. He sensed it, that they were gonna try to help him. Oh. Yeah. It's a whole nother level. It's an upper moon and a Shira. And the fact that even Rengoku told Tanjiro he has 1,000 steps or 10,000 steps more to become Hashira. That's pretty mind-blowing too. Oh. Oh. Fourth form, blooming flame. Fifth form, flame tiger. Oh. Don't die on me. Fuck. Yep. This episode's gonna fuck me up. I mean, I already knew it, but damn it. Oh shit. Final episode. Set your heart ablaze. Ah! Damn it. Okay. We can do this. I can do this. Oh.